Hello, it's Joe from the Clever Car Collection, and today I'm very pleased to be showing you this fantastic Skoda Yeti. It's on a 2009 plate, has had just one owner from new, and most importantly has got a full main dealer service history, including the timing belt that's been changed in 2023. In this video, we're going to take a good look around the vehicle, show you everything we know about it, so that when you come here to the incredible Clever Car Collection to take this car for a test drive, you know exactly what you're coming to see. Let's take a look. So as mentioned, really fantastic service history on this vehicle, full main dealer. I've got some notes on that I'll talk to you about a bit later on. But this particular one comes with a 2-litre diesel engine and manual gearbox. It's got a really good specification that we'll take a look at when we're inside and doing the walk around, and does 47.9 miles per gallon on the combined cycle. So pretty economical as well. Let's take a look round and point out any marks. There really isn't much to say, if I'm honest, but we'll start on the front of the vehicle here. Again, no marks or chips or anything of note around the front bumper. So you've got front and rear parking sensors on this model, and front fog lights, as you can see. Bonnet is all very good condition. Same story on the front wing. Good tread on all the tyres, and the wheels all in very good condition. Wing mirror, no marks or scratches. And again, really, as I say, there isn't hardly a mark on this side of the vehicle at all. Again, this rear wheel, good condition. Working our way around to the boot. This is the 4x4 version, as you can see there, the TDI, with, as mentioned, that 2-litre diesel engine and manual gearbox. But again, no marks, no damage at all there. Walking around to the passenger side, passenger rear wheel, again, good condition, plenty of tread on the tyre. Rear door and passenger door, same story, nothing to report. Again, front wheel, very good condition. And front wing in good condition. The only little mark we've noticed on this vehicle, there's a slight little scuff here, but apart from that, that's it. Panoramic sunroof with the electric blind and opening sunroof as well. So again, really high specification. Let's take a look inside. Before we jump inside and start it up, just show you the interior. Massive boots on these Yetis, really good, really versatile. You can see interior's all lovely there. Just show you into the back, he says, if it was unlocked. There we go, double click on these. And into the back there again, full leather interior, ISOFIX, all very nice. And we'll now jump in, I'll start it up and we'll take a look at the service history. Inside the vehicle, we've got the engine running. So as we can see, 87,540 miles there on the clock. And as I mentioned, that timing belt has already been changed. I'll talk to you about the other services shortly. Spec wise, again, really high specification here. So we've got electric heated mirrors, electric windows all round. We've got those really smart headlights and fog lights, and automatic headlights as well. Cruise control on this particular model. Moving across to the center area here, we've got all-round parking sensors. As I say, it's the 4x4 spec, so we've got the off-road there, tyre pressure warning system, traction control, heated seats, passenger and driver's side, full air conditioning, and the Skoda entertainment system there with the CD player, media connectivity, and sat-nav and bits and pieces in there as well. Lots of cubby holes, lots of storage in these, as I say, very versatile. And this particular one has also got the electric blind. And if you can see there, the blind is across on the panoramic roof. So again, really smart specification. So just made some notes there on the fantastic history on this vehicle. So as I say, full main dealer, and it's had main dealer services. Remember, this is a 59 car, so it's had main dealer services at the start of 2011, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. And again, as I've mentioned, in 2023, that's when that timing belt was changed. 24, and again at Skoda main dealer in January 25. Any other work that's been needed on this car, again, the pack of service history is incredible and has all been done at a Skoda main dealer. Since coming into us, it's also been serviced by our independent mechanic. It's had its full pre-delivery inspection and will shortly be going off so that it can be sent out with a fresh 12-month MOT. As standard, this car will come with a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty. There is an option to upgrade that to an unlimited mileage warranty that lasts a year with our award-winning warranty partners, Warranty-Wise. We can also offer nationwide delivery, so do get in touch for a quote if that's of interest to you. I'm Joe, this is the Clever Car Collection. I hope you've enjoyed this full walk around video on this fantastic Skoda Yeti, and I look forward to seeing you here very soon to take this very versatile car for a test drive. Thanks, see you next time.